Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina, taking standard first subject science. Standard first subject science. Yes, we are in lesson number 15. Yes, what was our lesson? Open your textbook. Open your science textbook. Lesson number 15. In this lesson we have learned about sun, moon, sky and stars. Yes, how is the sun? Sun is a big ball of fire. It's a big ball of fire. Yes, it will be burning every time. Because of that only we are getting light and heat. Light and heat from the sun. Daytime you can see the sun. Sun gives us light and heat. Moon. How is the moon? It's a round white ball. It's like a round white ball. In daytime also the moon is present. But because of the sun's bright sunlight, we are not able to see the moon. Moon changes its shape every day. Moon changes its shape every day. Sky. How is the sky? In the sky is blue in color. Night time you can see. Here you can see in daytime also clouds, and also night time also you can see clouds, and you can see moon and stars in the sky at the night time. Stars. Our stars are very big because they are very far away from us. They look very small to us. Yes or no? If we see from here, we can see countless many stars in the sky at the night time. Yes. So because they are very far away from us, they look small in size, but they are not small in size. They are very big. They are very big in size. Stars are very big in size because they are very far away from us. They look small in size. Already we finished exercises. Open textbook, page number 111. Already first, second and third one has been completed. Yes, first one, second one and third one has been completed. Now we will do from fourth one. What is this fourth one? Question answers. Questions are given. You should write answers to these questions in textbook only. No need to write this in classwork. You can write answers in your textbook and learn from your textbook. First one. What do we get from the sun? Now say me, you know about sun, no? What sun gives us? Sun gives us light and heat in the daytime. Yes, we can see the sun shining brightly. Because of that we get light and heat. Why can we not see the moon during the day? Yes, why we cannot see moon during the daytime? Because of the sun's brightness. Moon is present. Daytime also moon is present, but because of the sun's brightness, when the sun shines it will become bright and white in color. Moon is also white color. So because of that we are not able to see the moon because of the sun's brightness. Why do stars look small in the sky? Stars are actually, they are very big in size. They are very big in size because they are very far away from us. They look small. Why do we like to stay indoors during summer? Now say me, why do you like to stay at home in summer? Yes, you will get holidays, summer holidays also. Why schools will give you summer holidays? Because it is very hot outside. No, in hot days we like to sit at home under the fans. We like to sit under fan and relax. No, drinking cool drinks to keep our body cool because it is very hot outside. We can't go out in hot summer days. So we sit at home and we relax under fans and air coolers. What is a season? Now say me, what is a season in weather? We have learned three main seasons. What are those? Yes, summer season, rainy season, winter season. Yes, three main seasons. Summer season, rainy season, winter season. Summer season, which is very hot and we like to wear cotton clothes and we like to drink cool things and we like to sit indoors. Rainy days, when it is raining continuously for 2-3 months it will be raining and we use raincoats and umbrellas. Winter, it is very cool outside and we use sweaters, muffler, jackets to cover our body, to keep our body warm. And now say, what is a season? Yes, see here, When the weather remains the same for a long time, it is known as season. When the weather remains, summer remains for 3 to 4 months, rainy remains for 3 to 4 months, yes. Winter also remains for 4 months. So when the weather remains for the long period of time, it is known as season. Now move to page number 112. Page number 112. Think and answer. I will read the question. You should think. It is a bright and sunny day. Seema's little brother Sohan wants to go out and play. It is a bright sunny day. It is a bright summer day. So it is a bright, the sun is shining brightly outside. And it is very hot outside. Seema's little brother Sohan wants to go out and play. So Seema's little brother Sohan, he wants to go out and play in a hot sunny day. Seema what he should wear. Seema tells him to wear a sweater and a muffler. So he asked Seema, little brother asked Seema's sister what I should wear out and go and play. So what she told, you wear sweater and muffler. Is it correct? When we wear sweater and muffler, when it is cool outside, But on a hot summer day, we should wear light cotton clothes. What Seema told, to wear sweater and muffler. So it is wrong. You should wear light cotton clothes when you go out in a hot summer day. Now next, see fun activity. Look at the pictures given below. When do you see them? Draw them in the correct boxes. Here 4 pictures are given. Can you name the pictures? See the picture and say which picture is this? Yes, moon and stars. Moon and stars. When you see moon and stars, night time. When you see moon and stars, night time. And what is this, Sami? Rainbow. Rainbow is a band of 7 colors. Rainbow is a band of 7 colors. When you can see rainbow? After rains, we can see the rainbow in the sky with 7 colors. So in which time we can see rainbow? Night time or daytime? Daytime we can see rainbow in the sky after the rain. And next, what is this? Yes, stars. No, only stars. When you can see stars? When you can see stars? Night time. And what is this? Sun. What is this? Sun. When you can see sun? Daytime. So here day, day is given, night, night is given. Day is given, night, night is given. So which one you will see in day? Rainbow you will see in daytime and sun. So rainbow and sun you should draw in this box. Yes, daytime what you can see? Rainbow and sun. So draw in this box rainbow and sun. Night time you can see moon and stars. Night time you can see moon and stars. So draw moon and stars in the night column. Okay, draw it in the textbook after the class. Now project work. Make a night sky. How you can make your night sky? Take a white paper and a black crayon. Yes, you should take one A4 sheet, white A4 sheet, white paper, A4 sheet, white paper and a black color crayon. Color the white paper completely with the black crayon, leaving no gap. What you should do? You should take a A4 sheet paper and a black crayon, and complete A4 sheet you should color black. Full complete paper without leaving any gap. You should cover the paper with black crayon. Yes, you should draw full paper with black crayon. Only crayon. Pencils you should not use. This you should do with crayon only. Yes, black color crayon you should use for this. So you should take one A4 sheet paper and full paper you should color it with black color crayon, full black color crayon. Now it is your night sky. Now it is your night sky. Completely with black crayon, leaving no gap. Use the nib of a ball pen or the pointed back of a paintbrush. Draw stars and moon on the paper. Your night sky is ready. So after coloring full paper with black crayon, you should take a pen. You should take a pen. Point tip will be there, no pointed tip. With using that pointed tip, you should draw stars in that black crayon paper which you have colored. Yes, if you draw, no, you can see your You should draw stars and you should draw moon. You can see your night sky. You can see your night sky. What you should do? You should take an A4 sheet paper. Full A4 sheet paper should be colored with crayon. Colored with crayon. Yes. After that, you will take a sharp pointed pen and draw stars in that A4 sheet paper. On that crayon only where you have colored no full paper crayon, in that paper only take one pointed pen and draw stars and moon. Then now you can see your night sky is ready. Now next, life skills. We get heat and light from the sun. Yes or no? We get heat and light from the sun. If we can use sunlight to do our work, we can save electricity. Daytime you can see sun. Yes. So what we do? Daytime we won't use electricity. Yes, we won't switch on bulb. Why? Because of the sun's light. We will open windows so that sun's rays comes into our house. We won't use tube lights or bulb daytime. Nighttime when we don't see sun's light, we switch on bulbs and tube lights to save power. We should not use in daytime bulbs and tube lights. We get heat and light from the sun. If we can use sunlight to do our work, we can save electricity. Yes, daytime we should not put lights or tube lights. We should open, instead of that, we should open our doors and windows and let the sun rays come into our house. That gives us light. For example, in the daytime, we use sunlight rather than tube lights and bulbs to see things around us. Yes or no? Morning hours, what your parents will do? They will switch off all the bulbs and tube lights. Why? Because of the sun's light. Sun is giving us light. So daytime we should use sun's light. We should save electricity. Can you write another way in which we can use heat and light from the sun and save electricity? You can say another way in which we can save our electricity. Yes, daytime we won't use bulbs and tube lights. Why? Because sun's light. Because sun is giving us light. That light is enough for us to do our work. Yes, one more example to save our electricity. We have solar energy also. Yes, you can see on buildings, no, solar plates will be placed. These solar plates will absorb heat. Because of the solar plates, we can use that solar energy for cooking, for heating water. So we should use solar energy. That is known as solar energy. On some buildings you can see solar plates will be placed. These solar plates, they will absorb heat. Because of that we can cook, we can eat water. The solar energy, solar sun's rays, so we can use like solar energy also. Yes, so in this dash here you should write solar energy. SOLAR, solar. Eighth one, you have one line there, eighth one. In that write SOLAR, solar. ENERGY, energy, solar energy. Sun's rays, no, we can use for cooking, eating water. So that is known as solar energy. Next worksheet. Finish writing. SOLAR, solar. ENERGY, energy, solar energy. Now move to page number 113. Worksheet, page number 113. Look at the pictures given below and complete the words. Look at the pictures given below and complete the word. Now see the picture and say what is this? Yes, which picture is this? Moon. When you can see moon? Night time, no, moon. And what is this? Star. What is this? Star. What is this? Star. What is this? Yes, from clouds you can see drops are falling, drops of water. So it is known as rain. What is this? Rain. And what is this? Sun. Sun is shining brightly in the daytime, no, sun. And what is this? Rainbow. After rain we can see rainbow, a band of 7 colors. So write it in this boxes. Only one letter is given, other letters are missing. Now we will write the missing letters. Okay, first one write MOON, moon. MOON, moon. MOON, moon. Right? MOON, moon. First one write MOON, moon. Next one STAR, star. Right? STAR, star. S-T-A-R, star. M-O-O-N, moon. Already O is given. Yes. Remaining words you should write it in the boxes to complete the word moon. M-O-O-N, moon. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. Next one. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Next one. R-A-I-N, rain. Come on, write it in the rain column. R is given. Remaining word letters you should write. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Next. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Yes, finish. Now last one. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. Complete your worksheet. With neat handwriting, write capital letters neatly in the boxes given there. Yes, write capital letters neatly in the boxes given. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R, star. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. Moon, day, night time you can see moon. And stars in the sky. Yes. Rain, when the rain comes, no? S-U-N, sun. Rainbow, sun you can see daytime, and rainbow also you can see daytime after rain. So we completed, no? We have completed lesson 15. Yes. So today's your homework will be writing question answers, complete question answers in textbook. Your homework is write answers in textbook. Yes, HW. Write W-R-I-T-E, write lesson 15, exercise E-X-E-R-C-I-S-C, exercise 4th bit answers, A-N-S-W-E-R-S, answers in textbook. Write the answers in textbook and learn. Textbook 4-5 questions are given. Right, you know all answers for this. You can see in your lesson and you can write it in your textbook. So complete these question answers neatly in your textbook and learn question answers. Learn page number 111 and also 112. Yes, all these objectives are very important. So in this paper you have all the objectives. So page number 111, learn perfectly. Complete the question answers and learn 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. What is your homework? Writing question answers in your textbook, and also you should learn 1, 2, 3, 4 bits in your textbook. Complete it with good and neat handwriting and see that we have completed till page number 113. We have completed till page number 113. So you will check all your previous pages have been completed or not. We have completed all the lessons. 12 lessons have completed. We have only now assessment. No worksheets are there, assessments are there. We will do it. Now we have completed all the lessons. You should see all your papers. You will check all your papers. If any pending work is there in your textbook, you should complete it. Yes. complete your test book, and also if any pending work is there in your classwork, complete it. Do your work with good and neat handwriting, and when you are writing in test book or classwork, you should read, you should spell each and every word and learn the spellings what you are writing. Whatever you write, no, you should know which word you are writing, you should be able to read that word. So learn, write it neatly and complete till page number 113. Your textbook part should be completed, and complete your classwork also with good and neat handwriting. Thank you, children.